Okay, guys, you have been seeing some of the trading results which we have been achieving on this platform. Okay, and I know the question is, how have we been doing this? Okay, I've been trading GainX, PainX, and also FX volume 80. Okay, and of course, what I have just been doing is to use the same strategy. My strategy did not change, only that I had to discipline myself to follow this strategy to the very end, which is very, very important. Okay, so if you really want to get a good result, then you need to have a working strategy for you, and you need to be disciplined enough in order to follow the strategy from the beginning to the very end. That is the beautiful part of it. Okay, because if you are not ready to follow the results, I mean the strategy strictly, then you are most likely to lose out on your capital. Okay, and like I've always been telling you, your capital is your hard-earned money, and we are not ready to lose it. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's see how we have been able to achieve this, to scale through all these trading activities, all these while we are all making money. Okay, so and of course, guys, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content we are getting, I mean, you are seeing from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. I will also advise you to join the Telegram channel. The link is there in the description box. Okay, right there I dish out free information and free signals for you guys to take advantage of. Okay, and of course, guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section. But if you want to know more about my trading tools, you can send message to me on WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. Now let's go straight into what we have right here. So just like I have been telling you, I've been using the same strategy all this while. This strategy has actually been working for me and my team. And because it has been working for me and my team, I had to create an indicator on it. And we've been using this indicator to do our analysis, okay, for a while. And this has really been working very well for us, okay. So they used to say consistency matters. Okay, so if we are able to achieve positive result like this all the time, or out of every 10 trades that we pick we are able to win 8 of it, then I think this is cool. And we repeat the same process on daily basis and it still give us the same results. Okay, I think that is a beautiful one. And I must tell you, I've been doing this, I mean using this same strategy for over a year. Myself and my team, we've been using it for over a year, and it has been giving us more results, more positive results right from there. And what is the strategy? It is a trend trading strategy. This is what I realized. I realized that when a particular asset is on a particular trend, it goes on that trend for a very long time. So what did I do? I decided to study it and see how I can tap into it right from the beginning of the trend to the very end of the trend. So when you know when how an asset or a market is switching from one trend to another, then you will be able to milk it for a very long time. So for you to be sure of all this, there are some things which you need to know. Number one, you need to know the current trend of an asset before you trade it. Okay, number two, you need to know when it is switching into a new trend. Okay, number three, okay, is that you need to be able to identify the support and resistance zone, because that is where we usually have the switching taking place. Okay, then number four is to know when to go into the trade, how to set up your trade, and how to apply your good risk management system to it. Like you guys have noticed in most of my videos, I talk about this risk management. Okay, the reason is you need to protect your capital. I am not here to force you to lose your money. No, I won't do that. The main purpose of you trading is to make profit. So if you cannot make profit from it, then it is better you stay away from it, from the trading market or platform. Okay, so if you are bringing your capital on board all you need to do is to understand this strategy and also know how to secure your capital and know how to use the capital to make more profit for yourself. And you should also know how to secure your profit. And that is the beautiful part of it. Now, I will be using current charts of all these assets to explain to us what and what we need to do each time we are trading. For instance, this is GainX 1200. I love using 15 minute, 30 minutes, and 1 hour time frame, okay, to do my analysis and place my trade. Okay, so right now I'm on 15 minutes time frame. This particular asset actually sold right from this resistance, and because it was unable to break out from there, if you should notice, it played around there for a while. I had to highlight this region to see if there is a breakout. It is at the resistance zone. If it should break out above it, it means it will only buy more. If it does not, then it will break out below it. And if you should notice around here, okay, it's also respected because it was unable to break up from here and it went on downtrend. Okay, and there is one funny thing about trading activities. History always repeats itself. So because it has been finding to break out from here, it means that it might want to obey this same resistance zone, and at the same time it can also disobey it and break out from there. But this time around it obeyed it and it broke out below it, and you can see it's so till this very moment. I remember we actually milked that particular opportunity when it happened. Okay, now when it got to this support region, it started ranging around there, playing around there. Okay, so what did we do? Okay, we quickly did our setup, our stop loss, and of course our entry point. After the switching, you can see from red color to yellow color. Red is for downtrend, yellow is for uptrend. So we switch into it and placed our order right from there. Even though it was not that smart, in short, it even gave us some negative result before going fully into profit. Okay, and you can see it is still buying at the moment. Okay, this is still buying at the moment, and we can go to H1 to confirm where it is most likely to get to before it stop buying. Okay, let's see what is happening in H1. You can see it has gotten to this resistance region. Okay, right from here it can be sent back if it does not break out from there. But if it breaks out from here, then definitely it's going to do more. Okay, if it breaks out from there, it should get to this region, and this is where I actually highlighted that it should get to. So this had been on uptrend right from here, got to this region, even though it had pullback. So if you remember, then this should be about 3 or 4 weeks ago, I told you that this is where it is starting the trend from. Okay, bought in this region. If any one of you is still holding this trade, then definitely you should be in profit, even though you will have seen a loss. You can see it came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, and right now it is now going back up and it's trying to break out from this structure. And once it breaks out from there, then it should get to this region. Okay, so that is it. But for those that didn't hold the trade right from here, okay, I'm very sure you should also be in profit right now. Okay, so this is where it's heading to. So this is still going to buy more. Okay, so you can see trend trading strategy actually pays. You can be in a particular trading activities for days, for weeks, for months self. Okay, it all depends on the trend and the time frame you are using. Now let's check out GainX 999. This is another setup that proves that trend trading strategy really works. This actually got to the support region and it started trading right from there because it was unable to break out from this support zone. You can see it's switching from a downtrend into an uptrend, and it started buying right from there. As you can see, it has gotten to this region. It's possible for you to respect it a bit, and it is also possible for you to break out from there to get to the next TP. Okay, most of the TPs have been achieved already. So this is still buying right now. Okay, so you too can also take advantage of it right from there. So now let's check out to PainX 1200. PainX 1200, I remember very well. It started an uptrend from here, got to this region, had a pullback, and it has been playing around there. I remember when I was doing my last analysis on this particular asset, I told you that it will be going back up again, and this is where we expect it to get to. If it's going to reverse, it's going to reverse from here, but if it should break out from here, then it's going to buy more, but it is most likely for it to reverse from there. You can see immediately it got there, it reversed and it broke out below the support trend line, and of course it has been selling since then. So this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Now let's check out the last asset for today. This is PainX 999. This actually started an uptrend from here and it came to an end at this point. Came down a bit, went back up, and of course came down again, switching to a downtrend. So this is purely on downtrend, and as you can see, it has been selling since then. But if you should notice, it got to this support zone earlier and it is getting there again. If it should break out from there, it's going to sell more, but if it does not, then we may likely have a kind of pullback from there, and it's been likely buy for a while right from there. So this is very, very important. So this is you having a unique vision on the chart to see what is really happening in the chart and to be able to interpret what is happening. And in order for you to, for it to be easy for you to interpret, that is why I have this trend trading indicator that helps me know what is really happening within the chart, with the colors, with the symbols and the likes, so that we will know what to go for each time we are trading. So guys, you've gotten the idea of the trend trading strategy. Can you see that it has been the same strategy all this while? It's just that you need to be disciplined about it. If you're not disciplined with it, then you're going to get it wrong. Okay, so if you are disciplined about it and you follow the instruction to the very end, out of every 10 trades that you will be picking, it is most likely for you to get 8 to 9 right out of it, and even a single one can give you a good profit. You can imagine you being in a trade for a very, very long time. You being in a trade for a very, very long time. Okay, so this will help you to milk the market for a very long time. Can you imagine you coming in somewhere here and milking it till it get to this region, and of course going back up again and coming down again? So you can see you can use it to milk the market for a very, very long time. And this is even 15-minute time frame. Check it out. This actually gave us 99,198 points. That's huge, guys, and that is why you need to learn this strategy, understand it, practice it very well till you are able to perfect it. Then you start applying it on your real account. Okay, and your trading tool can also make your learning process very fast. Okay, so if you have the right trading tools, then you can get it right within a short period of time. I will be stopping right here, guys. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question, feel free to drop your question for me in the comment section, and you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.